You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to say war in French. How do you pronounce this word? Guerre, guerre. Depending on the accent, the last E might be more or less silent. You might want to say just completely silent, guerre, and finish on the R. You can say guerre as well. That would be more in the south of the country, guerre or guerre. It's easy. And now you know you can say guerre if you cannot pronounce the French R. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.